Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get SHEIN points. As you can see right here, we've just registered to SHEIN and we get 100 points just for this. And if you go to your email right now and confirm your membership, you win 100 points as well, more. So it will come here, just click on go shopping and get into the app. You can choose your location, language, and currency. After that, to actually get more points, you do a daily check-in. So you open the SHEIN app, you tap on the calendar icon that they have, you just come here and check in, and you get points just for doing that. As you can see, I have earned points, and then you can click here on remind me to get more rewards as well. Okay, you can just enable your notification settings. So the other days I'll get more points consecutively. As you can see, it will go up. And you can also verify your account. So if we go to our profile right here, and if we verify our account, then what will actually happen is that we will be getting more points. Like the email address that we have to verify, you get 100 points for that. And if you go ahead and watch SHEIN live videos, then on the app, sometimes it just gives you points randomly. And you can also play games on SHEIN as well. That also gives you options to participate into seasonal contests. And this one often varies. They give you high value points. And if you do complete your profile as well, you fill your style preferences or any other requested profile details, then you do get a one-time bonus. Just go ahead and fill that in, right? As you can see, you answer all these questions and you get 20 points instantly. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.